A warm welcome to all MNS aspirants. This is the general knowledge video of 30 question series, and general knowledge is basically divided into 6 categories, that is geography, economics, history, political science, which is mainly Indian polity, and then miscellaneous questions and current affairs. So accordingly the 30 questions have been distributed here. Now question 121 under geography. Which comet appears every 76 years? So the correct answer is A, not C. Please take care of the spelling. And this Halley's comet last appeared in 1986, and even if there is 75 years, means which comet appears every 75 years, then also the correct answer would be Halley's comet. Okay, now 122, the outermost layer of sun is called, correct answer is D, corona. And then 123, metamorphic rocks originate from, so the correct answer is C, both igneous and sedimentary rock. See, there are few questions where you can see more than one correct answer, like igneous rocks can also be said to be the correct answer, right? But you have to look for the most appropriate suitable correct answer for few questions. So 123, the correct answer would be C, both igneous and sedimentary rocks. This is basically done to confuse you all in the exams. So under history, now 3 questions, that is 124, the word Satyameva Jayate in the state emblem of India were taken from. So the correct answer is A, Upanishads, and to be more particular, it is Mundaka Upanishad. Okay, now question 125, Qutub Minar was completed by the famous ruler. So the correct answer is B, Iltutmish. But if the question is like Qutub Minar was constructed by which ruler, then the correct answer would be Kutubuddin Aibak. Okay, basically it is like Kutubuddin Aibak, he laid the foundation of Qutub Minar. Then Iltutmish added 3 more stories to it, and then the 5th and the last story was added by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. So you have to answer accordingly. And then 126, Mangal Pandey fired the first shot of revolt of 1857 at, correct answer is D, Barakpur. Then questions under polity, the drafting of constitution was completed on. So the correct answer is 26 November 1949, and many of you have answered it as 26 January 1950, but that's not correct. Drafting of constitution was completed on 26 November 1949, and it came into force after 2 years, and that is 26 January 1950. So this way the correct answer of 127 would be 26 November 1949. 128, which part of the constitution in India mentioned of citizenship? So the correct answer would be part 2, and many of you have selected correct answer as part 4, but actually part 4 there's mention of directive principles. So if the question is like which part of the constitution is in India mentioned of directive principles, then the correct answer would be part 4. Now 129, the writ of habeas corpus is issued in the event of, so the correct answer is C, wrongful police detention. And the meaning of habeas corpus is to produce the body. And now question 130 under economics, India's first 5-year plan gave priority to? The correct answer is D. Agriculture. Then 131. Which of the following products is not provided ISI symbol? So, a full form of ISI is Indian Standards Institution. And the correct answer for this 131 is B. Hosiery goods. Now 132. The state with the lowest sex ratio is. So the correct answer would be Punjab, because among these options, Goa has the highest sex ratio. Then comes Rajasthan, then Uttar Pradesh, and Punjab with the lowest among these. Okay, now 133 under miscellaneous. What is the full form of ATM? So the correct answer is both A and B. Now see, basically if the question is asked like what is the full form of ATM in context of banking, then the correct answer would be automated teller machine. And if the question is like what is the full form of ATM in context of networking or telecommunication, then the correct answer would be asynchronous transfer mode. And because it is not mentioned in this question, so the most appropriate option would be C, both A and B. And I have made few questions this type because uh, so that I can deliver more of informations to you and more of probable questions in one question itself. See, now 134 currency of Maldives is. So the correct answer is rupiah. Then rupiah is the currency of Indonesia. Shekel is the currency of Israel. This is a previous year question. Then euro is the currency of many countries like Ireland, Italy, Kosovo, etc. Then 135 leprosy prevention day is on. So the correct answer is 30th January. Then 23rd January, there's Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti, and 1st December there's World AIDS Day, and then on 23rd December it's Kisan Divas. Now then 136, vitamin B9 is also known as, correct answer is C, folic acid. Pantothenic acid is vitamin B5, and vitamin B6 is pyridoxine. This question is there in some previous video. And cyanocobalamin is vitamin B12. Then 137. I would like to repeat this, that vitamins and minerals, mainly vitamins, these are very important topic for your MS exam. At least one question is for sure from this topic. You have to remember the common name of these vitamins, then which vitamin is it, B1, B2, and all these, then the chemical name, then sources, then the disorders that are caused because of these vitamins deficiency. These are very important. Now, question 137. Which of the following is not associated with awards in literature field? So the correct answer is A, Academy Awards. Academy Awards is basically the Oscars, and then Bharat Ratna is actually given for outstanding contributions in the field of art, literature, science, and public services. So here the correct option is A, and others are also given for literature. So A is the correct answer. Okay. Then 138. Headquarters of World Wildlife Fund (WWF) is at. So the correct answer is Washington DC, and Geneva, Switzerland. It is the WHO's headquarters. Okay, and then in Paris there is World Organization for Animal Health, and in Chandigarh, India, there is Youth United. So keep in mind these. Now sports. There are questions in previous years related to sport terms. So basically, hat trick is a term used in cricket, football, as well as hockey, but not in horse riding. So correct answer is A, horse riding for this question. Now question 140. Federation Cup is associated with. So the correct answer is all of the above. So Federation Cup is associated with basketball, athletics, as well as volleyball. Now the question 141. Ras Leela dance is off. So correct answer is Haryana, and I can see 68% have answered for Rajasthan, which is not the correct answer. So please take care of these questions. 142. What is the mascot of World Wildlife Fund? So the correct answer is A, panda. Question 143. Which of the following refers to a small single site network? So the correct answer is A, LAN, or also known as local area network. This is a previous year question. The full form of LAN was asked. 144. SQL in computer science stands for. So the correct answer is B, structured query language. Now question 145 under current affairs. Which football player passed away in November 2020? So the correct answer is Diego Armando Maradona. Now question 146. Who is the writer of the book A Burning, featured among the 2020's 100 notable books list of the New York Times? So the correct answer is Megha Majumdar. She wrote this book, A Burning. Okay, and there were three Indians selected in this list, namely Megha Majumdar, Deepa Annapara, Samant Subramanian, and for this question, A Burning Book is written by Megha Majumdar, and Arundhati Roy is the first Indian female to win Man Booker Prize. Then question 147. In which year will India host the G20 summit? So the correct answer is 2023. Then 148. Which state has launched Dware Sarkar program for doorstep delivery of government schemes? So the correct answer is B, West Bengal. Then question 149. Mahashaya Dharampal Gulati, the owner of which iconic spice brand, passed away on December 3, 2020? So the correct answer is MDH. 150. Who's the first ever media executive in India to lead FICCI? So the correct answer is Uday Shankar, B.
कुछ करिए कुछ करिए